Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today I got Jaguar XF. I'm going to show you how we're going to remove or change air filter. Many people struggle with this job. Some people going to snap these plastic clips, these two. Some people going to snap from the hose, but I'll show you little bit easy way. First of all, I need to remove this duct pipe, this one. It's holding with three clips basically, because normally I shouldn't remove this one, but I'll let you know little bit much way. Normally I'm press here, lift up the thingy like this half away and do the job, but same thing I'm going to do, but I make it much spacer here. Then after that we can just take out from here, just take out. There is a much space. After that you need a 10 mm socket for the this nut inside. You can see this one 10 mm, right? After that left it as it is, no need to remove anything, but you can wiggle the box. You have a much space now. After that you have to press these two tabs, little bit lift up, you can see now. Then this one go down and you have a much space. Oh, see the filter, long time they didn't touch. After that what we have to do, need to compare old one and new one. Yeah, exactly correct. Then after that make sure inside the box nice and clean. This one I can see nothing there. Then after that I'm going to put in through the thingy, make sure all sit on nice and in, right? After that you can sit on the box and you can clip like this. See the back one came out. When you come this side you can see inside the white thingy, you can see. Yeah, it's need to sit onto the that groove nicely. See, it's going to the groove, going in. After that locked. Then install 10 mm, just install. Then after that you need to line up this one to the air box, and after that you can do the clips here. Make sure it's inside the box. You can see it's not properly in. I need to little bit wiggle and make sure it's in. Yep, now it's in. I can see it's in now, right? After that need to install these clips, right? Basically my colleague remove this hose and this one. You shouldn't remove that one, no need to remove. He tried to remove and go from the back. No, this is the easy way. Now you know how you're going to change your dirty air filter. See you with the next video.